Alright, let's get right into it. What is this HiveOS thing everyone keeps talking about? Think of it as a specialized operating system, built from the ground up for one primary purpose, cryptocurrency mining. It's a Linux-based platform designed to make managing your mining rigs as painless as possible. Instead of fiddling with Windows updates, command line interfaces on every single machine, or a mess of remote desktop windows, HiveOS gives you a single slick web-based dashboard. From this one spot, you can see everything that's happening with all your GPUs, whether you have one card or 100. Why do miners flock to it? Simplicity. Control. It saves a ton of time. You can see your hash rates, monitor your GPU temperatures, check for errors, and even reboot a rig that's acting up, all from your phone or another computer. In this guide, we'll set up HiveOS step by step for Team Green and Team Red. I promise, we'll keep it simple and clear. Before we even think about downloading software, let's talk about what you need to have ready. A little preparation now saves a massive headache later. You need a computer or a dedicated mining rig frame with at least one GPU installed. You also need a PSU that can comfortably handle the load. Seriously, don't cheap out on the PSU. A weak unit is a recipe for instability and even a fire hazard. You'll want a stable internet connection. Ethernet is always better than Wi-Fi for mining. You'll also need a separate computer to manage your HiveOS dashboard. Grab a USB drive, 8 GB is plenty, or a small SSD. A quality USB 3.0 or SSD is snappier and more reliable. Create a HiveOS account, we'll cover that next. Have a wallet address for your coin, and an idea of which pool you'll join. One last crucial piece of advice, start with one GPU, learn the process, confirm stability, then add more. Okay, hardware is sorted, now for the easy part. Open your web browser on your main computer and navigate to hiveos.farm. Check the URL carefully, click sign up or start for free to open the registration form. Enter your email, create a username, and set a strong password with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Agree to the terms and hit register. You should receive a verification email, check spam if needed, and click the confirm link. Log in and you'll see your dashboard. It might look empty at first. You'll see menus for farms, workers, wallets, and flight sheets. Don't worry about the details yet. The key thing is you're in. That empty canvas is waiting for your first worker, your mining rig. This web panel is where you'll monitor and tweak everything. With your account ready, download the HiveOS software and prepare the drive for your rig. Choose the GPU image, not the ASIC one, and grab the latest stable version as a .zip. It's a large file, so give it a few minutes. While it downloads, get your USB drive or SSD ready. Download Balena Etcher for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux and install it. Etcher is beginner-friendly and helps prevent flashing the wrong drive. Open Etcher, 3 steps. Select image, select target, flash. No need to unzip the HiveOS file. Click Flash from File and select the .zip. Click Select Target and carefully choose your USB or SSD. Double-check. Flashing erases the drive. Click Flash. Grant any admin permissions. Etcher writes the OS and verifies it. To catch errors, expect 5 to 15 minutes depending on drive speed. Once it says Flash complete, you're done. You now have a bootable HiveOS drive. Plug it into your mining rig and get ready to boot. Hardware meets software. Connect your boot drive, monitor, keyboard, and Ethernet, then power on the rig. Enter the BIOS or UEFI setup, often delete F2, F10, or F12, and set your HiveOS drive as first boot device. Save and exit. On restart, you'll see Linux boot text scroll by. Be patient. After initial setup, the screen displays a rig ID and password. Take a photo or write them down. On your main computer, open the HiveOS web dashboard and go to your farm. Click the plus icon, Add Worker, then choose Add Existing. Enter the rig ID and password. Give it a descriptive name, like NVIDIA Rig 01 or My First Miner, and click Add. After a moment, your worker should appear with a green online status. Success, you now have remote control. From here you'll monitor, reboot, and tune your rig as needed. Your rig is online, but it doesn't know what to mine or where to send rewards. Go to Wallets and click Add Wallet to store addresses for the coins you want to mine. Pick the coin, for example ETC, Ethereum Classic, or KAS, Kaspa. Paste your personal wallet address. Double-check the first and last few characters. A typo sends rewards into the void. Name it, like My ETC Wallet, and click Create. Add others as needed. Go to Flight Sheets and create a new one. This is your mining profile. Choose the same coin and the wallet you created. Pick a pool near you for low latency and a popular miner that matches your hardware. For NVIDIA, T-Rex is a great start. For AMD, Team Red Miner, LOL Miner supports both well. Templates autofill pool, wallet and worker variables like %URL%, %wall%, %worker name%. Name it and click Create Flight Sheet. Your profile is ready to deploy. Now your rig knows what to mine and where to send rewards. If your rig is running NVIDIA GPUs, a proper driver is essential. Open your worker page and the Run command console. Use NVIDIA Driver Update. List to see available versions. Install with NVIDIA Driver Update 535.129.03. Replace with your desired stable version. The rig installs, reboots, and comes back online. Run NVIDIA SMI to confirm all cards, their temps, power draw, and driver version. If a card is missing, check risers and power cables, or try a different driver version. T-Rex G Miner and LOL Miner are excellent NVIDIA choices. Templates usually autofill pools and variables. Select and you're nearly set. With drivers verified and miner chosen, you're ready to launch. Team Red, you're up. HiveOS supports AMD very well. HiveOS uses the open-source AMD GPU drivers, generally reliable for mining. From the worker console, run Hive replace Y, stable. This updates HiveOS and includes AMD driver updates, then reboots. After reboot, run AMD info to list detected GPUs, models, VRAM, and clocks. If one's missing, check power and PCIe risers. Choose a miner optimized for AMD. Team Red Miner and LOL Miner deliver high hash rates and stability. HiveOS autofills pool, wallet, and worker variables. Select and save. With drivers aligned and a miner selected, your AMD rig is ready to fly. Now for the fun part, tuning your GPUs for the best balance of hash rate, power, and temperature. Open the overclocking tab. This controls each card's key parameters. Start with power limit. Set a conservative 70–80% to reduce electricity and heat. For NVIDIA, lock the core clock and raise memory in small steps. +50, 100, testing a few minutes after each change. If you crash or see invalid shares, dial back memory clocks. AMD uses core clock, core voltage, VDD, memory clock, and memory voltage, MVDD. Undervolt the core and push memory to a stable limit. Use known safe community values for your model as a baseline, then refine slowly. Save stable settings as an OC template. Cooling matters. Heat is the enemy of electronics. You can set a static fan speed like 70%, but autofan is better. Set target temps for core and memory. Autofan adjusts RPM automatically to hit those targets. Aim for core under 65 degrees and memory junction under 95 degrees for stability and longevity. You've done it. You have a wallet, a flight sheet, and tuned GPUs. It's time for liftoff. On your workers page, select your flight sheet and click the rocket icon. You'll see the miner start, detect GPUs, apply overclocks, connect to the pool, and begin finding shares. Look for share accepted, and watch your hash rate appear on the dashboard. For the first hour, watch temps, fan speeds, power draw, and miner logs for errors or too many rejected shares. Check your pool stats by entering your wallet address. Confirm reported hash rate and pending rewards. Enable HiveOS alerts to Telegram or Discord. If a worker goes offline, check power and cables, reboot, or reduce OCs. Remember safety and electricity cost. Keep backups of stable OC settings and check for HiveOS and driver updates. You're on your way to a stable, profitable setup. If this leveled up your mining game, hit like and subscribe. Upgrade unlocked. Ring the bell to catch every tweak and win, and drop a comment with your rig specs, coin of choice, or hash rate goal.